Chapter 7 The Tug of War. Before we read, "Intelligence is power" is a famous proverb. Bunny proved it to the mighty whale as well as the large elephant. How did he do it? Let's read the story and find out. One day, Bunny the little rabbit was taking a stroll through the jungle. Suddenly, he ran into Mr. Elephant, who was making a fine meal of sugarcane. "Hello, brother," said Bunny. "Fine day, isn't it?" Mr. Elephant paused to look down at a little creature at his feet and snorted. "Leave me alone, Bunny. I don't have time to waste on someone so small." Bunny was shocked to be talked to in such a manner. He felt insulted, but he wasn't sure what to do. So he left quietly and thought about what had happened. As he walked along, he saw Mighty Whale far out to sea. He decided to ask her what she thought about Mr. Elephant's rudeness. He cupped his tiny paws and yelled as loud as he could, "Whale! Come here!" Mighty Whale swam over and looked around to see who was calling her. After a few minutes, she could see little Bunny jumping up and down on a cliff. "Bunny?" Mighty Whale said impatiently. "Did you just call me over here?" "Of course I did," said Bunny. "Just who do you think you are? You are far too small and weak to have anything to say to me." Mighty Whale turned back, flipped her huge tail and set off back into the deep ocean. But just then, Bunny had an idea. He called out to her once more. "Mighty Whale, you think that I am weak, but in fact I am stronger than you. You wouldn't be so quick to ignore me if I beat you at tug of war." Mighty Whale looked at him in surprise for a moment before falling into a fit of laughter. "Very well, little one," said he. "Go get a rope and we will see who is stronger." Bunny ran off to find the strongest and thickest vine he could get. When he found it, he went to Mr. Elephant and said to the giant animal, "Elephant, you had no cause to treat me with such discourtesy this afternoon. I shall have to prove to you that we are equals." Mr. Elephant looked down and chuckled. "And how will you do that, little one?" Bunny stood up as high as he could, looked Mr. Elephant right in the eye and said, "By beating you at a game of tug of war." Mr. Elephant was amused. He laughed so hard that he nearly choked on his sugarcane. However, he thought to make some fun of the tiny animal, so he agreed and tied the vine around his huge hefty waist. Bunny took the other end and started off into the jungle. He called back to Mr. Elephant, "Wait until I say pull, and then pull with all your might." Taking the other end of the vine to Mighty Whale, Bunny said, "Tie this to your tail, and when I say pull, you swim with all your might." Mighty Whale tied the vine to her tail, all the while smirking at Bunny's foolishness. "I will now go and tie the other end to my own waist," said Bunny, and hopped off into the jungle. He hid in the bushes and then called out at the top of his voice, "Pull!" Mr. Elephant started to walk away with a smile on his face. But the smile soon turned to a look of surprise when the vane stopped following him. "My goodness," he said to himself. Bunny is much stronger than I expected." The look of surprise soon became a frown as Mr. Elephant pulled harder and harder, unable to make the tough vine budge any further. Meanwhile, Mighty Whale also began to swim away from the shore, but almost lost her breath when the vine pulled tight and refused to come with her. She pulled harder and harder, but she could not pull it any further. "That little bunny could not possibly be stronger than me," she said in anger. She pulled harder and harder, and soon the vine could take no more strain, and with an ear-splitting sound, snapped into 2 pieces. When this happened, poor Mr. Elephant went sailing through the jungle and tumbled head over heels down a steep valley. The end that was tied to Mighty Whale caught up to her suddenly, and she went sailing through the ocean and smashed into a very scratchy and uncomfortable coral reef. Bunny left without a word and never mentioned the matter again. Mr. Elephant and Mighty Whale were completely confused and never could figure out how such a tiny creature as Bunny could have beaten the largest of the animals. And to this day, they are very careful to greet little Bunny with great respect whenever they meet. Glossary: stroll, leisurely walk; snorted, grunted, rudeness, impoliteness; impatiently, with annoyance, with irritation; ignore, overlook, whine, climber plant; discourtesy, impoliteness; chuckled, laughed quietly; giggled; hefty, heavy, smirking, grinning; frowned, scolded; pulled a face; budge, move; snapped, broke; tumbled, fell down; scratchy; rough,